Thank you for choosing to be a camp volunteer for iBio Educate's STEM Girls Camp. STEM Girls Camp is one of iBio Institute Educate Center's main programs for inspiring the next generation of innovators and providing a link between education and industry. Your participation as a volunteer is a crucial part of our mission. The purpose to the STEM Girls Camp is to build curiosity, self-efficacy, and content knowledge for girls in science and math, but also to make students aware of the exciting careers that are available to them in industry should they choose to continue in these areas. Your participation enriches our ability to deliver on both goals. Just by participating, you are providing access to a role model for becoming a professional in industry. So feel free, as you are working with the girls, to share information about what you do. Even if the types of activities that we're doing don't fit with the types of things that you do in your daily job, show your excitement about participating and the excitement of science. Show them that science is great fun so that they're interested in participating further. We want our campers to expand their vision for the future. Seeing professionals as real people will help them to do that, so don't be afraid to be yourself. We have a few suggestions to help you to be comfortable being a camp volunteer. All of our camp activities involve engineering problems that need to be solved. Even if you're not an engineer or a scientist, the engineering plan is still something that you probably use on a daily basis. We're trying to teach our campers how to be good problem solvers. While working with the campers, try your best to give choices rather than directions. It's very possible that campers may get stuck while working through the problems and may need your help to figure out what to do next. But giving choices allows them to take the lead in the problem solving. Figuring out when to step in is sometimes difficult. If they look lost or reluctant, it's often good to give them just a little hint for how to get started and then step away and see if that is enough to get them moving. As the campers struggle with the problem solving, it's usually best to ask them what they see as their struggles and help them to point out possible solutions to what they see as the issue. You may be able to see very clearly what the problem is and might be able to push them in that direction, but they may be thinking about the problem very differently than you do as an adult. One of our goals is to help the girls to understand that failure is a part of the problem-solving process, but it can be discouraging, and we don't want the girls to give up. So we want to help them to find ways through the frustration and model patience and persistence in the process. That is something that, as a volunteer, you can help them forge through. They need to realize that their mistakes teach them something, and that can help them to redesign what they're doing and possibly move forward in a new direction that's even better than the one that they had imagined. It's often difficult for the campers to realize that parts of their design are actually excellent, and it's only a few parts of their design that are actually not working properly. So as a volunteer, if you can point out the things that look great, then that may help them to move forward and redesign in a way that, again, will help them solve their problem. Creativity and originality are also part of the problem-solving process, and even though some of those ideas might work, there is something to be learned from all of them. So we want to make sure that we're honoring their ideas and allowing them to give their ideas a try. You may realize that their ideas may not work out the way that they planned, but we'd like them to build the model or try the solution that they imagine. Try your best not to tell them how to make their design, but again, you can push them in a direction that you think might be more successful. Ask the students what you can do to help them. They don't often get the opportunity to tell adults what they should be doing, and they will enjoy the opportunity to direct you in making their design. As you volunteer, don't feel like you need to be the one leading the way. The teacher facilitators and assistants have been trained in each of the challenges so that they can direct the students in how to start. Remember to be yourself and have fun. On behalf of iBio Institute, welcome to the STEM Girls Camp team. Can't wait to see you.